The cabin air filter's main purpose is to trap dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. Thus, the cabin air filter cleans the air in the cabin every time you have air blowing through the air vents. Wondering if you need to change your cabin air filter? While the recommended change interval can vary by model, you should change the cabin air filter at least once a year or every 20,000 miles. If you're still not sure, set your fan to blow air at high speed and notice if you have any reduced airflow, noises coming from the blower fan, or unpleasant smell. Any of these signs indicate the cabin air filter is overdue for replacement. Replacing the cabin air filter is an easy task that you can perform yourself without taking your car to an auto repair shop. Grab a replacement air filter and follow these instructions on how to change the cabin air filter in your car.